Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well today. So this is just a very short video to show what I am doing there. So I did not know that Christian took me a video from the back while I am very serious trying to break the soil, I mean the stone there. I tried using his new Rotary drill hammer that he purchased online, and it is very useful and it works well, especially with stones. And I think this is my new favorite tool from his tool room. I added this same video in my shorts, but I talk in Bisaya there, not in English. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.